What if I told you that you don't need a huge salary to build wealth? You don't need to be rich before you start investing, and you don't need to wait for the perfect financial situation. The truth is, people with modest incomes can build significant wealth when they consistently make the right money decisions. Because wealth isn't only about how much you earn, it's about what you keep, what you invest, and what you do consistently over time. In this video, I'll show you how to build wealth on almost any income, even if you're starting small. Let's start by destroying one of the biggest money myths. I'll start investing when I earn more. Sounds reasonable, right? But here's the problem. If you don't develop good money habits when you earn a little, earning more may simply give you more money to waste. A bigger salary doesn't automatically create wealth. Better financial habits do. So don't wait for a higher income to start acting like a wealth builder. Start with what you have. Think of wealth as a simple formula. First, you earn income. Then you spend less than you earn. You take the difference and invest it. And then you give those investments something extremely powerful: time. Income gives you money. Good habits create a surplus. Investing puts that surplus to work, and time allows your money to grow. That's the wealth formula. Income, spend less, invest more, and give it time. It's not complicated. The challenge is consistency. Your first practical step is simple. Spend less than you earn. It doesn't matter whether you earn $1,000 a month or $10,000. If everything that comes in immediately goes back out, you have nothing left to build with. Your goal is to create a monthly surplus. That surplus can go toward your emergency savings, investments, or other productive assets. So when your income comes in, don't ask only, "What can I afford?" Ask, "How much can I keep?" Here's something many people overlook. Your savings rate can matter more than your salary. Imagine one person earning a very high income but saving only 5%. Now imagine another person earning an average income but consistently saving 30%. The second person may be building wealth much faster. Why? Because wealth depends on the gap between what you earn and what you spend. So don't focus only on increasing your income. Focus on increasing the percentage of your income that you keep and invest. Every time your income increases, try to increase your savings rate too. Here's something many people overlook. Your savings rate can matter more than your salary. Imagine one person earning a very high income but saving only 5%. Now imagine another person earning an average income but consistently saving 30%. The second person may be building wealth much faster. Why? Because wealth depends on the gap between what you earn and what you spend. So don't focus only on increasing your income. Focus on increasing the percentage of your income that you keep and invest. Every time your income increases, try to increase your savings rate too. Now put your savings to work. Invest consistently. You don't have to wait until you have a huge amount of money. Start small. A little money invested every month can become something much bigger over many years. Think about planting a tree. You don't plant the seed today and expect a giant tree tomorrow. You plant it, you water it, you protect it, and you give it time. Investing works in a similar way. Consistency beats trying to perfectly time the market. Start where you are. Invest regularly and keep going. Another powerful way to build wealth is to stop depending entirely on one paycheck. Your salary can be your foundation, but over time consider developing additional income streams. Maybe it's a side business. Maybe it's freelancing. Maybe it's digital products. Maybe it's a service you can provide. Maybe it's income from investments. The goal isn't to create 10 income streams overnight. Start with one additional stream. Build it. Make it reliable. Then let it grow. Because when several income sources work together, you have more opportunities to save, invest, and build wealth. But there's a trap you must avoid: lifestyle inflation. Your income goes up, and suddenly your house gets bigger. Your car gets more expensive. Your phone gets upgraded. Your vacations become more luxurious. And before you know it, your expenses have risen almost as fast as your income. Don't let every raise become an excuse to increase your lifestyle. Instead, when your income rises, direct part of that increase towards savings, investments, and assets. Enjoy some of your progress, but don't consume all of it. Let your income increase your freedom, not just your spending. Now let's talk about one of the most important wealth-building principles: buy assets. An asset is something that can potentially produce income, appreciate in value, or otherwise contribute to your financial position. Examples can include businesses, investments, and income-producing property. The opposite problem is spending too much money on things that mainly create ongoing costs. A luxury car may look impressive. A new gadget may feel exciting. Designer clothes may make you feel successful. But looking wealthy isn't the same as being wealthy. Instead, ask yourself, will this purchase help me build wealth or simply help me look wealthy? That question alone can change your financial future. This is where time becomes incredibly powerful. Compound growth means that your returns can begin generating additional returns. At first, the progress may look painfully slow. Year 1 might look like a tiny seed. After several years, you see a plant, then a tree, and eventually the growth can become much more noticeable. That's why starting early matters. Don't underestimate small investments simply because they look small today. The real question is, what could those small investments become after 10, 20, or 30 years? Time can turn small beginnings into significant results. Now comes the part many people struggle with: patience. We live in a world that constantly promises overnight success. But real wealth usually doesn't work that way. You save this month, you invest next month, you repeat the process, then you do it again and again. The results may seem small at first, but don't quit simply because the tree isn't visible yet. Keep planting, keep investing, keep learning, keep improving. Wealth takes time. Your job is not to rush the process. Your job is to stay in the process. Building wealth isn't just about what you do once a year. It's about what you repeatedly do. Budget your money. Read and learn about finance. Save consistently. Invest consistently. Review your financial goals and keep learning new skills that can increase your earning power. You don't need to spend hours every day thinking about money. Even a few intentional minutes can make a difference. Because small actions repeated consistently become habits. And good habits repeated over years can produce extraordinary results. Let's put everything together. If you want to build wealth on almost any income, remember these 7 principles. Number 1, spend less than you earn. Number 2, save first. Number 3, increase your savings rate. Number 4, invest every month. Number 5, increase your income. Number 6, avoid lifestyle inflation. And number 7, buy assets. You don't have to master everything today. Pick one principle, start there, then build on it. Your income may determine where you start, but your financial habits can determine where you go. So don't wait for the perfect salary. Don't wait for the perfect opportunity. And don't wait for someday. Start today. Spend a little less. Save a little more. Invest consistently. Increase your income. Buy productive assets and give your money time to grow. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple, practical lessons on money, wealth, and financial freedom. And here's your challenge. Comment below and tell me one wealth-building habit you're going to start today. Remember, you don't have to become rich overnight. You just have to take the next smart financial step. Start today. Build wealth, one step at a time.